Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to start posting ad on Craigslist. I'm sure you guys know about Craigslist. If you don't know, then you can go and Google it. It's a classified ad posting site where you can post your ads, and you want to utilize it, and it doesn't cost you anything. You can hire somebody else like a virtual assistant, a VA for posting ads for you for like pretty cheap. So what you want to do is you want to, if you haven't used Craigslist before, you can go and search real estate. We want real estate section, and over there you can find what other investors are posting, what kind of ads they are posting, so you will get an idea. I suggest that you post few different kinds of ads. Some of them would be we buy houses, generic ad, hey, I'm an investor in this area, and I'm looking for a house for my next project. And so if you have one, give me a call or email me. And then you can also put ads for motivated sellers, that you're looking for motivated sellers, the people who are interested and who are willing to sell their houses. And you can also target specific kinds of houses. Hey, we buy houses that are in problematic situation, like owners are going through divorce or foreclosure houses, people are behind on their mortgage payments. So these are motivated people because they're in trouble, they're underwater, and they are looking for solutions to their problems, and you can provide them that solution. And then you can also start looking and start posting their cash buyers ad. So you're looking to build your cash buyers list as well. So you use real estate sections. There are like a lot of sections: real estate by owner, real estate by broker. We want real estate services, apartments, selling up, selling selling stuff. You can put ads in pretty much each one of them, and post them Monday through Fridays, even Saturday, Sunday. You can easily post 3 ads per day. And what I would suggest is start by posting 3 ads, and then bringing rotation, because you can go back and refresh those ads after 48 hours. So you built a reservoir of ads which you can then post and renew ads like 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, 3 in the evening. So you stay in front of the people who are searching there, and you stay on the first page. So your ad is more visible. So that's one of the medium that you want to utilize if you're just starting in real estate. Hey, the next thing that you want to do is look for FSBO houses. FSBO, FSBO is for sale by owner houses. So people who are selling their own houses. So you can go to Craigslist again and search for FSBO houses. There are various other sites online that you can use to search FSBO houses, and you can build a list of houses that are people trying to sell, so they are motivated already to sell. So what you can do is you can contact them, and if they don't provide you contact information there, you've got the address. You can go and do like an owner search. So once you have owner information, name, address, mailing address, you can send them out a mail piece. You can call them up. Hey, I saw you were looking for a house to sell, and I'm an investor here. Let's talk. Maybe set up an appointment with them. The goal should be to talk to them and qualify them and set up an appointment and go visit them, and hopefully sign a contract with them for their house. So that's another way. You can call them up. You can search public records for their owner information, and then do skip tracing. There are sites that are free, there are sites that costs. So you can do skip tracing to get their phone number. once you have their phone number, you can text them, which is pretty cheap, by the way, texting. You can call them. You can call them personally. If you have somebody employing for you as a cold caller, you can give them to make a call to qualify that lead. So that's another way. Once again, Craigslist, free. If you're starting out in real estate, you want to do, drive for dollars, which is just going around your neighborhood or the area that you're interested in to buy a house. You're just driving around there, getting information about the houses there, and look for the properties that might be abandoned, that might be beat up, that might be outdated. You want to pinpoint those houses, because those are your leads. These are beat up houses, and people want to, probably are not maintaining them, or they have totally abandoned them, or it might be house that they might have inherited but they cannot keep up with them, so it's there. So once you pinpoint such property, by the way, I'll have another video that will show you how to pinpoint these, where I'll give you a little bit more information to pinpointing that house. So once you got this house, and you can go in there, and you can look at it, the signs. It's got like grass is not there, there's like bunch of trash. The windows have utility disconnection notices and stuff like that. So what you can do is, you can knock that door. If nobody comes in, you should always have your business cards with you. So talk to a neighbor. It might be worth talking to a neighbor next door or the other side. So they might, leak you some information, or perhaps get you in touch with with owner for that house. You just tell them, hey, I buy houses, and I saw this is pretty abandoned or beat up houses. What's up with that? I usually, buy houses, renovate them, or sell to an investor, who renovates them, and it's a win-win situation for them, because hey, they've got a house that is junk next to them, and you'll come in and you'll probably renovate them, driving the appreciation of that neighborhood up. So that's another way that you can try to get that information. And if you don't get that information, you just put down the address of that property that you search, and come back to your office and do some public record search. If you have an access to MLS, or somebody have an access to MLS, they can do it, a text record search for you, like an agent. Or there are a lot of cheap or free sites that you can use, like peoplefinders.com. So once you get their owner name and owner mailing address, send out a piece of mail, a postcard or something. Hey, I'm interested in buying the house located at such and such property. And I was hoping that if you're willing to is open to receiving an offer, perhaps selling the house. If so, here's my number, call me anytime, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, or whatever your hours are. So that's another way to generate leads when you're fairly new and you cannot afford to buy a list from different vendors, or you don't have that much money up front. So that's another way. Thank you.